Hey YouTube, today we'll be replacing the pull lever on a couch, and the pull lever, just the handle broke. The original one, or the new one, looks like this, and anyways, just a quick fix that we'll be replacing. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments below, and if you don't mind, like and subscribe to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. And the part that I got off of Amazon, and I'll post that in the description of the video as well. So we're just going to take these two bolts off. I use just like an all-in-one type screwdriver to take these off. And there's some clips right over here that you gotta just push down with a screwdriver to pop out. And it comes out pretty easy. So that's the old one there. And this is the new one. So we'll just pop that clip right in here. The new one actually came with a spring. Doesn't really need it for this type of couch, so I'm just going to leave it on there. So what you'll want to do is you can actually just push this down and then put it in the first hole for mine. So just like that. And then just, the old one had the access just put down in there like this. And then just put your screws back in. And the one that I got off Amazon was $10, and it actually came with two of them. So it was about the same price to get two of them that it was for one. So like I said, I'll post that in the description, and that's it. All right, y'all. Alright, well, I appreciate you watching. Once again, leave those questions in the comments, and if you don't mind, like and subscribe to my channel, I'd greatly appreciate it. And y'all have a great day.